Today we're gonna try smoking some venison steaks. Just fresh cracked sea salt and fresh cracked pepper. And then I made some potatoes with diced green onions, 2-3 pads of butter, cracked pepper, sea salt. I think that's it. And then I put 2 frozen cobs of corn on there wrapped in foil, not knowing what's gonna happen, but daughter asked for corn on the cob, so I thought, what the heck, I'll try that. So we got the smoke going. I have it set at 180. It's 4:45. I think it's gonna go at least 2 hours, maybe more. I'll have to bump it up at the end. See all the smoke coming out. The potatoes are in the foil in the center, and the corn's on the left and the right with the steaks. Looks pretty smoky. Hopefully all that hardwood smoke from Sam's Club works. Kind of excited to try out some different woods here soon. Like cherry and apple and mesquite. Mesquite's my favorite. Maybe hickory. Hickory's kind of lame. Mesquite, I'm a fan. I'll try to come back here in an hour and see how it's progressing. I did poke a couple holes in the top of the potatoes. My corn, I'm just hoping just gets warmed up. Enough to eat. Here it is after an hour and a half almost, hour and 15. Smoky. Potatoes, corn, steaks. Bump it up. That's it. We'll do, I don't know, 350 after another 30 minutes maybe, for about half an hour. Still got plenty of wood chips left, pellets. Right there. Running out. Bag's just around the corner anyways. Back in a bit. Alright, here's the grand finale. Half an hour at 350. It's at 3:53. There it is. Turn this down to shutdown mode. But we'll cut into it and see how it goes. You might not be able to see this because I might forget. Potatoes, corn on the cob, and 3 venison steaks. There's the final product. There's potatoes. Hopefully they're done. Oh, firm. There's the steaks. Pause it and cut one. There's the steak. Done. Looks like it's probably well done. Looks good. I'll have to let you know how it tastes in the comments.